मैं ना एक चीज बहुत विटनेस कर रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारी फीमेल कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स का राइज हो रहा है, वो टॉकिंग अबाउट मैनोस्फेयर, अबाउट मेन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज इट्स द टाइम व्हेन women also realize that men are the ones who earn money, right? Because that's the easiest way for you to monetize your stuff as well, because when you talk about women don't listen, but when you talk about men, they do, and they earn as well, so you might as well make some profit, right, ladies? Right? Anyways, let it be. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about why aren't Indian men attractive anymore by, I don't know what's her name, let me see, her name is, what's her name, PK Talks. Okay, sounds like a synonym of Amir Khan, but anyways, let's go for it, boys. Let's listen to what this woman has to say about why our countrymen are not attractive. So let's go for it.
This is gonna piss off a lot of people, okay? But I feel Indian men
ओके, अब दैट्स अ वेरी गुड शुगर कोटिंग लाइन. लाइक आपको कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ कहना है तो आप शुरुआत में ही थोड़ा सा हाथ खड़े कर दो कि बाबे आई एम सॉरी यार. एनीवेज, लेट्स गो.
are not boring. They're just like terrified of being interesting. Like, hear me out.
Like terrified of being interesting. Okay, I'll hear you out because I don't really get it.
Okay? Before you unsubscribe, before you start shouting at me in the comments down below, hear me out. I just feel like many of us are raised to like, have a stable job and like just follow like instructions of life. Like, go to
Valid point.
school, score good marks, don't get in trouble, like get a good job that lands you six-figure job, whatever. And we do that and then get married according to our parents, which is whatever. But at the same time, that makes us like a sheep, We don't do anything that's like memorable or exciting, or like whenever you're dating somebody, you're just asking them, have you eaten? How was your day? Like just like boring shit, you know what I mean? Let's get more into it. So I was talking to one of my friends, like she's one of my closest friends, and like she was dating this Mexican guy, and who seems to have like a great job. He is doing really well for himself.
Well, I actually feel like that a man who's picking a life that is around this mediocrity कि आप सुबह उठते हो, आपको जॉब पे जाना है, आपको ऐसे, मतलब वो जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ गेटिंग रिच, अगर आप उस चीज के अंदर हो ना, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ यू प्रॉब्लम. लाइक आप इस चीज को अगर जनरलाइज करके अपनी लाइफ बिता दोगे तो तुम ही अपने आप को ब्लेम करोगे, राइट? यू हैव द वेज टू क्रैक आउट ऑफ द सिस्टम एज वेल इफ यू नो हाउ टू वर्क हार्ड, राइट? सो यू डोंट रियली गेट टू ब्लेम इट ऑन द सोसाइटी एंड द ट्रेडिशनल वेज. दैट इज द वे दैट इज लेफ्ट व्हेन यू हैव नथिंग टू डू. जब आप कन्विंस होगे कि आप अपनी लाइफ में कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, इसी डर की वजह से लोग रिस्क नहीं लेते, एंड दे डोंट हैव दिस ऑडेसिटी टू स्टेप आउटसाइड देयर कंफर्ट जोन एंड फिगर आउट न्यू businesses, online business, content creation and all of that. Just like this woman, at the crux, she's the one who's also creating content as well. Okay, she might be getting paid from it eventually after some time, so you should learn that. Like, find your own ways to escape this traditional way, because it आपका ना डिसिप्लिन जो होता है ना, आपका डिसिप्लिन किसी और के बिजनेस को बनाने के लिए ना चला जाए. ये मैं आपको हमेशा सिखाता हूँ कि start working for yourself, be the head of the table and all of these things, because it really does matters. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed further. Why I don't get to know about it कि why aren't Indian attractive, इस चीज का तो मुद्दा शुरू ही नहीं हुआ, बट इसके दोस्त का कोई मैक्सिकन पति है, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. He's doing a really good job. Okay,
Like at this age, like he's younger than me because she's younger than me, but like he was like doing really well, and like he's super nice, like all the green flags, like checklist is like popping. Okay, but at the same time, I feel like every time he talks,
I'll tell you one thing as well. Women, most of the times, they would never ever in their life talk about the miserable things that happen with them in their relationship unless or until वो rock bottom को hit नहीं कर लेती. ठीक है? Two female friends, the dynamic basically stays is कि मैं इसको ना अपनी लाइफ की सिर्फ अच्छी चीज बताऊंगी, because women are way much more competitive as compared to men with each other. ठीक है? हम दोनों दोस्त क्या होता है, अरे भाई हमारा दिमाग खराब हो रहा है, अरे यार छोड़ यार, जीवन में बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है, साथ बैठ के कुछ चिल करते हैं. That's how men are. Women are like, oh, this is going perfect, my relationship is perfect. They would never share the bad trips. The only time a woman shares a bad trip with her friend is जब वो अपना पूरा rock bottom देख लेती है उस आदमी के साथ. So I don't know, is she really happy in the relationship? Ask her. Mexican chat, man. Let's see.
to her it gets very boring. Even like she told me when they were baking out, he was like, I don't want to ruin this. Like, I understand you want to get to know this person, and you have known this person for like months now at this point, but at the same time, like,
Okay.
like I don't know, like I feel like not just like Indian men, I think men in general, like because of the internet and the scrutiny men get, I mean some deserve, but not all of them, you know what I mean? I feel like that's why men are too scared to show their personality or like say the wrong things and like ruin something. Like it has become so fragile that they don't want to like do anything complex. They're like black and white and everything, you know what I mean? And I think that is what is boring. You have to have some excitement, some red flags. And I'm not saying like, oh, be toxic with each other, but I'm saying like show some red flags. Like also I also feel like men
Please be miserable. Oh, not toxic. Just make sure I'm in a miserable place. Please grow up, ठीक है? In relationships, when I'm talking about maturity, there is no thing as red flags. It's just like कि आप अपने teeny horizon में हो अभी, जहाँ पे आपको ना emotional spikes बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं अपनी life में कि okay, this is the new emotional spike as a woman, this is the new emotional spike as a man. तो वो चीज़ आपको excite करती है. But when you get into adult, when you become an adult, जब आप थोड़ा सा family seek out करते हो, तो these are the last things you fucking focus on, man. आपको कोई ऐसी लड़की नहीं चाहिए जिससे आपको उसके mood swings झेलने पड़े, उसकी mediocrity, उसकी red flags, उसकी toxicity को चाहने की चाह को आपको झेलना पड़े. No, you need a woman who's sorted in the head and brings peace on the table, okay, and who I can proudly say that she's my girl without any data or record that explains कि भाई she has been not a good woman. You don't know, okay. So you get to decide your standard. आपको कैसी लड़की चाहिए. So when you are deciding your standard in the adult age, this is the last thing you would look for कि आपको toxicity दिखाए, red flags दिखाए. And same with her as well. She's probably a teenager at her last teens, or maybe she's 20, 21, 22, I don't know. But एक टाइम ऐसा आता है जब आप ना emotional spikes chase नहीं करते and you look for certainty, you look for home, you look like that कि मेरे को ना घर बसाना है basically, ठीक है. So yeah, let's proceed further. She likes red flags though. Good point to notice, man. Anyways, let's proceed further.
And usually, I have not dated in a long time, but like even my friends, okay, they talk to me about these things. Men in general, I just feel like they are professional victims, or they have always like been
Professional victims, wow.
victimized in their story. And every time they talk about the ex or the job or whatever, it's always them being a victim. And I just want to say,
It's not the truth. I'll be very honest with you. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आदमी करते हैं, औरतें भी करती हैं. अब मैं अपनी personal story से कुछ derive करूं. So I'll just tell you one single thing, that the things I've seen in my life, every single person I've dated is in some sense was victimized from their previous relationship. और ऐसा कुछ कोई gender oriented चीज नहीं है कि सिर्फ लड़के ही face करते हैं. यार, in fact, women would also face that. You yourself are single because you probably faced that. Okay, otherwise you would have been committed by now, right? So think about that. No one is professional victim. No one deserves to be, seeing that fake fallacy that they loved someone genuinely. ठीक है. बताऊं क्या होता है? पहला प्यार ही ruin करता है इस जनरेशन को. सही बताऊं तो, क्योंकि पहला प्यार आपको होता है and that person ends up doing something. तो उसके बाद एक generational trauma की एक mental state इंसान लेके चलता है respective of being a woman and a man. क्या प्यार तो हो ही नहीं सकता. It's unrealistic. It's weird. Blah blah. तो वही चीज है यार. I don't think so. It's a gender constrained thing कि यार आदमी ही victimized होते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. औरतें भी होती हैं. Okay, so I just want to clear that. Let's proceed further. बाकी I'm not able to get why aren't Indian men attractive. ऐसे इसका reason अभी तो बताया नहीं इन्होंने. But let's see.
are you a pussy? Because why are you always a victim? Don't you have like
Excuse me, I'm not a pussy. What do you mean? I'm not a victim of my love. Some men are, and I'm so sorry if you're meeting them only. Like I say, you can't generalize anything in this world. There are exceptions. Excuse me, stop calling me a pussy out.
some dynamic
Look at me acting cute. So I don't want to be cancelled on internet.
things going on in yourself, like you can actually do something, or you are like a villain in someone's story or something like that. Why there's always this one ex who cheated on you or who lied to you or who was miserable and made you more miserable and shit like that? Or you just be like, it didn't work out because I was focusing on my career or I liked someone else or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, very common point though. Like मैं तो बोलता ही रहता हूँ कि sticking to this one thing कि you are having a breakup और उस चीज के बारे में घुसे रहते हो सालों तक. It's not necessary, ठीक है. And जितना मैं इस चीज को openly बोलता हूँ ना, and I'm very potent about this fact as well कि यार ये चीज hurt भी करती है आपको. It really hurts you as well. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो healing phase भी तुम्हारा बहुत growth की तरफ हो, ठीक है. Environment matter करता है आपका. You should be focusing all of that negative energy and sit with it. आप उसको ignore नहीं कर सकते because you loved someone, you cared about someone, and that इंसान went. Okay, so me just saying to you man up and all of that doesn't really matter यार. यही तो सबसे बड़ी problem होती है आदमियों की. They don't get to experience their emotional side of their human, okay, of their personality, कि आप अपना emotional side भी explore कर रहे हो. तो instead of getting terrorized and nihilistic about that thing, sit with the emotions, let it hurt you because it's a feeling eventually, ठीक है. बुरी है तो अच्छी भी exist करती है. So and just keep doing the things जो आपको अच्छी feeling की तरफ लेके जाए, becoming better, earning financially more. Do you think I care about any of my exes up to a point कि मैं रात को 2 बजे सोच के रोऊंगा उसके बारे में? Absolutely not, because my life is so happening. I have greater things to achieve in my life. I have not met a single king in the dawn of existence who has like the one that I admire has cried for a woman or something like that. No, it's because men have always been from the crux. If I talk about, we're not allowed to sob and do all of that. Let the emotional world be I would say ruled by women only, because we are the one who take care of every single thing, right? A woman can sit peacefully at home and she can get to be cute, nice, and every single thing, it's because the man of the house, their dad, is working, making sure there is a roof that is not, जिसमें पानी नहीं टपक रहा, AC चल रहा है, खाना बन रहा है, ठीक है? So you've always been the successive gender who cares about a lot bigger prospect of things, not just emotions, ठीक है? So yeah, let's proceed further. I still don't get the answer of why Indian men aren't attractive, but anyways, crazy LARPing.
Like just some complexities. I'm not saying like be extremely toxic, abusive. I'm not saying any of those things because that's just like not it. But I'm just saying like bring some dynamic things, you know, like when you're talking to your normal guy friends, like do you actually just be like, so have you eaten? I've never seen a guy ask another guy, have you eaten? Or they're like, okay, let's go eat together. That I have heard, but no, never like, have you eaten? How was your day?
What are you talking about? We men do that with people we love. क्या बात कर रहे हो? मेरा दोस्त है यार, I live with him in this flat में, हम सुबह साथ खाना खाते हैं, we work together, we go to the gym together, ठीक है? We do business together, we travel together, we have fun together, ठीक है? Our families are close, so we make sure that we are getting our diets in. You have zero idea how good and pure male friendships are. Believe me, if the friend is really good, you have zero idea. It's not like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम ये सब नहीं करते. So I think that was a misconception, or maybe you have just experienced a small pool of people. Let me recorrect it. Small pool of men as in specific, and you have made your derivations like that, but it's fine. Still waiting for why aren't Indian men attractive anymore, but okay, I'm gonna be holding my patience and I'm gonna proceed. Okay.
How was gym? Like, I don't want to hear a guy going to gym and office and like just living a boring life. That's what I am doing. I need some excitement, you know what I mean?
Yeah, good point. I like the honesty. A woman don't care about the struggles. A woman don't care about your daily routine. A woman don't care about your daily calories in. A woman don't care about your aesthetic physique की journey पे तुम कितना put in कर रहे हो work. A woman don't care about anything. All she care about is what she's feeling in the present emotion. Are you a man who's jacked? Are you a man who's rich? Are you a man who's man enough to take her anywhere in this life, okay, and make her feel special that see we are at fucking Miami in our Lambo or something like that, okay? ये तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया for someone like her. But anyways, I'm just saying कि women seek excitement basically, ठीक है? They seek excitement. They want to be feeling excited. They want to live the excitement in the present emotion. तो और ये चीज बाबे बोरिंग नहीं है. इसको एक्साइटमेंट चाहिए, और ये जो इसको एक्साइटमेंट मिलेगी ना, ये इसको किसी और के थ्रू मिलेगी. शी कांट डू दैट हरसेल्फ, ठीक है? अगर खुद करने लगे ना, तब पता चलेगा आपको कि ये जो बोरिंग लाइफ है ना, यही एक रीजन होता है कि आपको एक्साइटमेंट जीने को मिलती है, ठीक है? एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, इफ यू आर दैट ऑफ अ वुमन, व्हाई डोंट यू गेट द एक्साइटमेंट योरसेल्फ? व्हाई आर यू रिलाइंग ऑन अ मैन फॉर दैट? ओके, सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट लाइक मेक सेंस, राइट? अगर आपको एक्साइटमेंट चाहिए अपनी लाइफ में, व्हाई आर यू रिलाइंग ऑन समवन एल्स? But if you're relying on someone else, you have to accept the boring part as well, and that comes with meeting once a month, meeting twice a month, ठीक है? And meeting like four times 4 months. I don't know, whatever. जो भी उसका schedule allow करे, right? Because if you want to feel that excitement of that level, that is very rare. You have to understand कि इसके लिए काम लगता है बाबे, ठीक है? That's all. So let's proceed further.
Like even though like I have 2 jobs and I have to do everything because like, you know, domestic help is very expensive where I live, so I clean, cook, whatever, I do everything on my own.
Wow, good.
So my life in general is boring, but if you talk to me, I don't think like I sound like a boring person. I do sound like a hypocrite and like a condescending bitch, but like
Condescending. Wow, look at these beautiful vocabulary terms.
that's just my personality.
Anything but accepting and taking accountability.
Go with it, you know what I mean? But at least I'm not a professional victim, you know what I mean? And again, it's not all men, because there are some dynamic, interesting men who are not afraid to like put themselves out there. But I'm just talking about people who are actually attractive, who are like green flags on paper, but when you talk to them, they're like bleh, you know what I mean? Also, have you noticed like at the beginning of a relationship, even girls do this, like they're always sounding like more progressive, more open-minded, like I don't care if you have girlfriends, you should have other female friends, because then I know that you can have like, you know, like friendships with female, and you just don't like see them as like a romantic person, like partner or whatever, and vice versa. I've always seen like people being so open-minded and progressive. Even with my friends, they just be lying, okay? They just be lying, because these people are not that open-minded. These people are so conservative, it's insane, okay? But
She herself a few seconds ago said that she talked to her male friends. Now she's saying that women who say that I'm okay with you having female friends are conservative. You doxed yourself here. I don't know why, but let's proceed further. I still don't get the answer of why aren't Indian men attractive anymore.
in the beginning, I've always seen them like lying to each other and then falling for each other. You are falling for a facade. You know what I mean? In the beginning. That's why I always tell them, like, give it 6 months because nobody can act for like 6 months, like consistently. You know what I mean? And that's why the relationship in the beginning feels like all the like rainbows and butterflies, but that's not real life, you know? And I am a strong believer in showing who you are in the beginning. And I'm not saying like don't take a bath and like just go like that. I'm not saying, I'm like, put.
You know, this video feels like a call of that woman that would just have to talk because, like, you feel me? Like, this whole video feels like you are talking to a woman just for the sake of the content. Believe me, because there is not a single thing I've learned abhi tak. I thought it would be a video where she would actually explain why aren't Indian men attractive anymore, but abhi tak to 5 minute ho gaye. I feel like what I shared is much more informative than she did. Anyways, let's explore the next 5 minutes to understand ki kya ye bata payegi why men aren't attractive anymore. She's not able to understand her own topic of YouTube, like her own video topic. She can't get into the crux of that. It's been 5 minutes. What?
Effort in your looks and how you're presenting yourself, like show that you have manners and shit, but at the same time do not lie about things you don't stand for, you know? Like I wouldn't go on a date and be like, oh, I'm not possessive at all. I will be like, I'm so possessive. You would think crazy people are not crazy. I am crazy, you know what I mean? But I just don't like people who just sounds like super progressive but they're not, because it's going like you are setting yourself up for failure. And I don't know why. I've seen more men do this than women, but women also do this. Okay, why are we doing
Wow, why she's always in both of the spectrums? Achhi baat hai.
this? Why are we lying to each other like consistently, constantly? Like do something else. You know what I mean? A lot of times I have said, you know what I mean, in all my videos from September to right now. I feel like we should start a drinking game, and all of you will be drunk in like less than 2 minutes, and that would be fun for the comments. You know, just think if you're of age, and also if you're a guy who's watching this, if you're going on a date or something, anything. Okay, I just want to tell you, like even if you think you don't look good, you don't know how the other person is feeling, and if you're matching with somebody, they're obviously liking something about you. Maybe it's your look, maybe it's your job, maybe it's the banter you guys have. So I'm just going to say, just when you go on the first date, do not look underconfident. Don't look overconfident because that's icky. Okay.
What do you mean? It's not like confidence is something that you can equip. It comes with work. Believe me. Okay. So let's say one thing. What actually gives you confidence? It either you look good, you are tall, and you are like good to the eyes. Halo effect works. Secondly, you're extremely of a someone. Okay. You have got good physique, good dressing sense. You've got good cars. That's the second alternative of leverage that can help you become someone. Thirdly, the way you talk, you communicate how you make her feel, her emotional needs. You listen to her ranting stories about life and how much interest you show her to the conversations and how much derivations and problem solving capabilities you have as a man would also dictate how much she likes you. Okay. So, and there's nothing as underconfident, overconfident, to be very honest. Okay. I think overconfident is someone who's trying to be confident, and confidence naturally comes from within. If you are someone who's doing his life, who's walking his way, who's not listening to anyone, who's actually not oblique to anyone's opinion but himself, that's confidence, because you do whatever you want and you get whatever you want, right? That's good life, a good car, a good home, a good house, a good physique. You go grab, work hard, get it. That's gonna breed confidence inside you, not just few terminologies and explanations behind that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's proceed further. सुनो मेरी बात, ईप्ते ही मना ना 6 मिनट होली मैंने ईप्ते न्यू नहीं मेरा पाट्या ब्रो कि यो इंडियन मैन अट्रैक्टिव क्या तना होते इस वीडियो के क्रक्स में मैंने ईप्ते ही नहीं मेरा पाट्या. So let's proceed further. Let's see how it goes.
But just be confident in yourself. Like if you're ordering something, just be confident. Like if you're eating the way, whatever, like.
What do you mean I have to be confident if I have to order something? Hey, I would like to have one beautiful cappuccino. As you can see, this girl in front of me. Yeah, I'm confident because my girl said be confident while ordering a cappuccino. Excuse me, waiter. Bring me a cappuccino. Wow. Okay, let's proceed further.
The way you're eating, just be confident, because I've seen like people watch, like so many people look so nervous, like this is like the interview, and if they don't crack it, like the life is not going to life, you know what I mean?
अबे कुछ नहीं है बाबे, इतना सीरियस तो होना ही नहीं है. You are on a date with a girl and you are like, क्या करते हो आप लोग खाना खा लेते हो अच्छे से? I'm happy, I would eat whatever you want. ऐसे मत बात करो. मेरे को ऐसे बताओ, आप क्या बढ़िया नान, कढ़ाई पनीर की सब्जी और दही रायता बिना किसी बैरियर के साथ मेरे साथ बैठ के खा सकते हो? This is called being real. She is telling you how to be pretentious. Do not be good on screen. Do not be good on paper. Always be good on the crux from your soul. You would attract much more people like that. ठीक है? अब मैं किसी लड़की को ऐसे बोलता हूँ ना, let's say we are on a fancy date and we are having some Paul's pizza. ठीक है? Fettuccine. I don't know that fucking pizza if you guys have tried it. You're having that and there's this woman sitting in front of you and I'm like, yeah, you know, I want to just drop my guards. मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हम तो अब यहाँ पे डेट पे ऐसे खा रहे हैं, क्या तुम मेरे साथ तगड़े नान, कढ़ाई पनीर की सब्जी और दही खा सकती है आलती पालती मार के? And you laugh after that and she's also, yeah, sure, see you you have to make her current emotion feel more human? That's the problem of this world. They are all trying to make you good on the screen as if some Netflix series is going on. No, just touch the human emotions. People will love you more for that. I hope you get that as well, woman. Anyways, let's proceed further.
And I don't think that's it. I think like if they are matching with you, if they're talking to you, if they're making an effort to come see you in
Holy shit, bro, she didn't tell why Indian men attractive abhi tak.
person, obviously you're doing something right. And I just feel like men, sometimes certain men are just overconfident, which is topic for another day. But today we're talking about men who are actually decent and like getting dates and stuff and like seeming like underconfident and like playing it safe to just, I don't know, I just
Man who get dates will never be underconfident, bro. What?
don't play it safe. Just
Women date. Majority of women date men who have majority of women. So yeah.
be confident in yourself. And I know it's easier said than done, but just pretending is good.
Don't pretend. Pretending won't make you anywhere. I'd go and grab it. You cannot pretend to drive a Ferrari, but you can have one if you work hard for it, right? Pretending will never help you. Being that would though. So keep that in your mind.
Good. And I'm not saying like pretend about your hobbies and lie about shit, but I'm just saying like just pretend that you love yourself and like you're confident and like shit like that. Anyways, I
No thing is pretending, by you either love yourself or you don't.
just feel like Indian men are not unattractive. They're just playing it super safe, and that's not it. Okay, like show your personality. People, if confident
What?
and like shit.
What?
Then pretending is good. And I'm not saying like pretend about your hobbies and lie about shit, but I'm just saying like just pretend that you love yourself and like you're confident and like shit like that. Anyways, I just feel like Indian men are not unattractive. They're just playing it super
She just titled why aren't Indian men attractive anymore. Now she's saying I'm not saying Indian men are not unattractive.
safe, and that's not it. Okay, like show your personality. People, if everybody's going to be the
Okay.
same, then like how would life be interesting? You know what I mean? And I'm not saying like do crazy shit to like sound interesting in your life or be a drunk
This woman needs an interesting life, that's pretty sure.
mess to sound interesting or fun. I'm not saying any of those things. I'm just saying don't play it safe and do not lie in the beginning of relationships because that's when you set boundaries. You know what I mean? Like if you are a conservative person, be vocal about it. And don't be misogynistic or misandrist. But I'm just saying like just be vocal about things you want. Like, if you're possessive, be honest about that. If you want certain things in life, be honest about that. If you have too many female friends but you want to keep your female friends, be honest about that and keep that boundary. Because like the other person doesn't know. The other person is thinking I'm going to change.
Yeah, if you have a polygamy rule as well, like if you want to have 4 wives under a house, you can do that. Be open about that. Just don't lie, okay? I mean, it exists. I'm not throwing it out of the blue air. It exists. Polygamy exists. अगर आप पुल कर पाते हो तो करो यार. मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है भाई. अगर आप 2 औरतों के घर के अंदर खुश रख सकते हो बिना झूठ बोले, good for you. I never doubt or challenge whatever people want to do. Great people, elites, okay? तो अगर आप कर सकते हो तो करो. कुछ morally या ये fuck it, whatever makes you happy, brother. ठीक है? But the problem is, do not lie to someone and don't hurt someone behind their back. इन 2 चीजों को याद रखो and do whatever you want to, bro. ठीक है?
This person, or they will like love me and that's why they will make those choices or whatever, and that's how it will feel in relationships. And there's so many breakups happening right now, and like relationship just feels like not like how it used to feel like. So I just want to tell you, like if you are here and if you're going on a date, you're already like you just have to like do the right things to make it progress in the right direction. Because even if you lie, you will break up in like 6 months, 2 years, and that will be a heartbreak for either of you or both of you, and that's.
I'll tell you one thing. If you're a man of value, if you are genuinely a man of value, you can pull 80% of women without this mediocrity she's explaining, that you have to go take her on date, get her pretty flowers, show her all of these things. This is a thing you should only do when you are absolutely in love with that woman. कि आपका पूरा emotional sentiment उसके साथ है. If you are a man, if you are socially, physically, economically a good part of this country, ठीक है? I'll tell you one thing. You don't have to do anything. Your existence would just turn her on. Even if you say dumb things and you're in the top 1%, she would have to adjust because of you, because she would never get a man like you again in her life. Okay? So I don't think whatever she's saying is very true and factual, and it's all like a made up thing that a woman make. They don't know the realities of this world, because they have zero idea how the top percentage of men of this country lives, right? So I'm not saying that इसने जो भी बोला कुछ गलत बोला या फिर कुछ सही बोला. आपकी भाषा में कह देता हूं मैं ये भी. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा आपने कुछ गलत बोला या सही बोला, बट हाँ मेरा ओपिनियन ये था. जैसे कि आपने इस वीडियो में मुझे ये नहीं बताया ना कि why aren't Indian men attractive anymore. Similarly है, ठीक है? So let's proceed further.
You know what I mean? Wow. Are you drunk yet? I'm just curious. Anyways, this is coming from a single person and by choice, okay? By choice. I can go on dates. By choice. Whatever. That's what I'm telling myself. Anyways, if you like what I said, please like the video. And if you have different opinions about what I said, please comment down below and enlighten me, because I'm ready to learn. It's just like my friends go on dates and like they talk about it, and I've just noticed that everybody's setting themselves up for failure. Like nobody's being honest, nobody's being like true to themselves.
Whatever. Sounds like a yap I had with the woman that had no point. Can't even be peacefully chopped in this. See, men make more sense in the comment section than she made in like entire 10 minutes. Just be charismatic, bro. Just be tall and handsome, bro. It's really not that hard. Holy. Basically, be a playboy. If you be just nice and low, you'll be termed boring. Guys, play your options. Don't commit. Wow. The first half of the video's got to be rage bait. Women are humans or Dora who always want adventure in their life. Also, being yourself means actually live like how you want, not in following any women who utter dumb shit from a mouth on YouTube. Okay? Crazy, babe. I was gonna reply and waste my time explaining the whole semester, but here I am. You're polite that Indian guys are most guys in general are vanilla and not exciting as a bad boy. Well, surprise, most guys are black and white. Very few are in the grey zone. Also, those girls who are wondering why they can't find a guy who's exciting, they are trying to find bad boys and vanilla guys. Bam! Bang! Wow, Mahesh Kumar, you know that shit. Which, as I said above, is a rarity. If you want to hook up, well, the bad boys will come flying in the helicopter, but when it comes to long-term relationships, they bounce. You won't find them like Invisible Man, which I assume they wouldn't want to happen with them. Or maybe they would. I don't know. The second thing you pointed out, people. Wow, not being honest with each other in India at least. The person in front maybe wants to hook up or date. It's hard to guess. Your third point, guys, while a less confidence is the sum total of the way people treat you from childhood, adulthood, and even after that. But the women you mentioned did go on dates with them. So those guys definitely above average looking, at least exactly what I said. Now, mostly any guy who's good looking becomes about child, bad boy, depends on his morals. So the lack of confidence doesn't make sense, right? Well, there's a thing called gym and dieting. You can become good looking by those methods. So those women decide to go on dates with those guys. They lack the mannerism of bad boy Chad. So why those guys act like this anyways? Like they're in an interview and it's their only chance. It's because majority of guys are in a scarcity mindset. Is true for most guys. I mean, they're thinking that they don't have a lot of options when it comes to women. Women are not attracted to the look smash guys. They're hypergamous, and a few guys have the options. Here's the study. Okay. Internal data published by Oculus found reveal that women are interactions inclusion really good changes for the you can change. Exactly what I said. मैं आपको यही तो कह रहा ना. The way the elites live, you have zero idea about that, and आपको फिर adjust करना पड़ेगा. See, the only valuable part about this video was the comment section, babbe. ठीक है. So I hope I was able to give you some knowledge around this. Bhai, fraud topic, babbe. इसमें तो कुछ सीखने को ही नहीं मिला हमें. ठीक है. But I'm pretty sure whatever I said on my end in these comments were adding value to your life, and you got to know about a lot of things, just like the way you do on our channel. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, peace, dhyan rakho, take care, keep growing, babbe.